Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely C-Class Coupe AMG Sport, finishing beautiful light silver blue colour with park distance control to the front, absolutely unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels, graded ones, rear park distance control. This does have a reverse camera as well. It's been the AMG, it's got the rear larger diffuser and the AMG body styling kit. Absolutely looks gorgeous, great value for money. Got heated seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, full leather seats, superb condition. It's got satellite navigation, it's got paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, different driving styles, reverse camera, park distance control, full media pack, USB rather, paddle shift, multifunction steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats. Really is in beautiful condition. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.